welcome back to another video on my channel today at Ruby Gomez, and today we're doing a chicken video. You know how I love animals, and today I have another guest, the same guest, Fabian, and today, yeah.
No. Did you step on it?
No.
Wait. Not me.
No, I didn't.
The other one?
Nope.
Then I think it's the mother or something.
No, chick.
Show them the.
Oh yeah, the chick, the last chick is the white one. This is the mama. This is its daddy. This is its daddy. Daddy. No. No. Watch and watch. Stay tuned for Cowgirl and her pets. So yeah, we have more chickens. One is over there. The other ones are all the way over there, if you guys can see it. They're the brown ones. Put in the light can show. Okay. This video is really gonna be really short. It's just about like the names of the pets. We decided to name the pets today, and then
My mom has little cars.
yeah.
So maybe she has to meet them.
This one right there is Fabian. Right there. That's the dad. That I already said that's Cowgirl. That's Coconut. That's Mushroom right over there. That is Mushroom, and the one over there is Peanut. It's Peanut, and and where else? Oh, the rest our aunt gave it to us. Gave them to them. Oh, this one we'll call that one Peanut Butter and J. Peanut Butter J. Jelly. Yeah, Jelly. We'll name that one Jelly.
There's a guy I like. His name is Jelly.
If you guys do not know him, I wish I could put him on my screen right here, but I can't.
Because he lives like, I don't know.
I think he lives in New York.
It.
Yeah. He lives in New York.
Yeah.
So his color is green, so we decided to name him.
Yeah, just spell
Jelly.
G-L-L-Y, and they'll say.
No, it's G-E-L-L-Y.
Yeah, G-E-L-L-Y, and then you'll see Jelly. And if you press it, you're gonna see a green, and I don't know what you're gonna see, but you're gonna see some
Okay.
video something.
So you guys, I think this is gonna be the end of this video. I think it's gonna be the end of this video because the video is really short, and I should have planned what we're gonna do about the chicks. And I already said the chicks' names. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. And I'll really appreciate it, and it will shine my day. So I'll see you guys next time in one of my videos.
I'm
Bye.
gonna hunt you.